What is up people, this is Virus HQ and this video is going to be the first part of many in the new series I'm working on, which would be an improved home automation system which I'll be building from scratch using different things, and it will be based upon the Raspberry Pi and various ESP and Arduino devices working together as a whole system. So in this part, I'll be talking about MQTT and its use, and I'll be showing a short demo of it. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering what MQTT is. So MQTT is a machine-to-machine IoT connectivity protocol. It was designed as an extremely lightweight subscribe and publish messaging transport. It is useful for connections with remote locations where a small code footprint is required and hence a smaller network bandwidth. Now, for me, I'll be using this to send and receive messages from my ESP devices to the Raspberry Pi, which will be acting like an MQTT server. So to get MQTT working, what we need is to convert the Raspberry Pi into a server. So for that, I'll be using Eclipse's Mosquitto. Now, Mosquitto is an open source MQTT broker, and it works with MQTT protocols 5.0, 3.11, and 3.1. Now, Mosquitto is a lightweight software and can be used on low power single board computers like the Raspberry Pi or high powered servers. Now to get this installed, we'll first need to SSH into the Raspberry Pi. Now to install the Mosquitto broker on the Raspberry Pi, you'll first need to run this line, which is sudo apt install Mosquitto and Mosquitto clients. The -y, it just adds the Y for yes for downloading it. Next, since we would like the server to run as soon as the Raspberry Pi boots up every time, we'll just add it to the systemctl. So systemctl enable mosquitto-.service. Now once that's done, we'll just test the Mosquitto installation. So all we'll need to run is mosquitto-v, and this should show the Mosquitto version, and it shows the port that it's using, so 1883, and this is a generic error code. Now that we have that thing working, we'll just test it out. So we'll just run it as a daemon, so mosquitto-d, but we would like to subscribe to a topic. So what we'll do is we'll just type in mosquitto_sub -t, which will run it as a daemon, -t, which will be the topic, and room, which is the topic's name. And if we hit enter, it is subscribed to one topic. Now to test if the topic's working, we would need to publish a message on it. So let's open up another terminal, which is on the Raspberry Pi again. So it'll be mosquitto_pub, which will be publish, -t, the daemon, -t, which is the topic room, -m will be the message, and it's 11 characters, so hello space world exclamation. And if we hit enter, it would publish it to the Mosquitto server, and since we subscribed to the topic room, it would read all the messages that are sent to the topic room. So it reads hello world exclamation. Now for this test again, what I did is I just coded up the ESP32 and set the topic as room on it as well, and connected two switches on it. Now if I click the off switch, it publishes the off message, which is 3 bytes long, and if I click the on switch, it publishes the on message. And this communication can be one way or two way depending on how you go through it. Now that's about it for this video. In the next videos, I'll show you how to use Mosquitto, or how to publish and subscribe to things on the Mosquitto server using Python, and I'll also show you hardware side of things. Now, most of the hardware for this project was provided by HighlightGo, so a major thank you to them. You can view their products with the link down in the description. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, subscribe to the channel, share it, go through my other videos, and I hope to see you next time.